Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tina, and if you're new here, I make videos on lifestyle, home decor, and DIY projects every single week. And if you haven't noticed already, I have something really exciting that just happened like literally last night, I think. But I'm just so excited for this video because we actually just hit 10,000 subscribers on this channel, which honestly is so mind-blowing. I literally cannot believe there are 10,000 creative souls out there who are following along on this journey on my channel. And honestly, I got a little bit emotional last night thinking about it, but I'm just gonna hold myself together for this video because I'm just more excited than anything. And it really just means the world to me that you guys show me so much support and so much kindness in the comments, so I really appreciate it. So to celebrate, I do have details of a giveaway at the end of this video, so if you're interested in all of that stuff, I will have that info down below in the description box as well as at the end of the video. But aside from that, I am really excited for today's video because it's all about 5 cost-effective ways that you can upgrade your home on a budget. And for all these ideas, I'm going to go from the least expensive to the most expensive way that you can upgrade your home. And I hope that you guys like today's video, so let's get into it. Starting off this video with tip number 1, and that is to upgrade the color of things that are already existing in your home. So this is a great way to upcycle items by just simply spray painting or even changing the texture of things with materials like macrame or jute. There's so many different ways that you can start upcycling the items that you already have in your home. So like I mentioned, one of the easiest ways is spray painting or even just using regular old paint. Having a bottle of spray paint like this gold one or even a matte black one is really going to help elevate your look. For an upcoming makeover that I'm doing, instead of replacing all the items, I'm really just going to use gold spray paint to upgrade some of them. And I really do think that this is such a great cost-effective way to hack some of your items. Most spray paints will cost you under 10 bucks and will really last you a long time. So spray painting definitely is a great way to go if you want to change the color of something. However, if you want to change the texture and the color of something, you can use something like macrame rope, and this is really a great way to just wrap around different items. I watched Megan Batoon's video on how she redid her room makeover, and instead of getting rid of her black canopy bed, she actually just wrapped the whole thing around with macrame cord, and that really just helped lighten her whole bedroom up by getting rid of some of that black. And I thought that this hack was so mind-blowing. I literally was going to do it to my day bed back there, but that was gonna take way too long, so I didn't end up doing it. Plus it's already light, so it's totally fine. So I definitely recommend that you guys do your research and come up with some more creative ways to update your colors in your home, including macrame rope. There are so many different materials that you can work with to really update your items, and I hope that this tip gives you guys some inspo to do that. My second tip to upgrade your home without breaking the bank has to be to decorate with plants. And I'm sure this comes as a surprise to no one because I am obsessed with plants and I am a proud plant mom, but I honestly think that adding plants to your home really adds so much life and so much color. Not to mention, it also signals to other people that you have your life together because you can take care of a plant. And this one I've had for maybe 2 years now. I got this at Aldi. It was like 4 bucks. It was a lot smaller. And then even this pot I got for super cheap at Home Depot. I painted it and made it look a little bit more expensive than what it is. And in total, this thing cost me under $10. And even though you can definitely splurge on plants to really upgrade your home, you can go to places like Home Depot and IKEA, and they really have some affordable plants there. I found a Monstera there for literally only 13 bucks before. So you definitely don't have to break the bank to get a beautiful plant into your home. This is getting heavy, so I'm gonna put this down. 2 big tips that I have for you guys for shopping for plants for your home is to go to places that really tailor towards indoor plants. So places like IKEA and Home Depot and Lowe's really tailors towards that audience so that you know that you're getting great plants that are suited for your indoor environment. But I also want to mention that when you're shopping at big box stores like this, to really make sure that you check the plants before you put it into your cart. A lot of times these places are getting mass shipments of plants, so they're not always taken care of equally. So make sure that you check them all so that you're not wasting your money on a bad plant. And my second tip for finding affordable plants is to start off small. And I cannot stress this enough. Do not buy an expensive plant that you cannot take care of. It's way better to start off with a smaller plant and to help it grow into a big, beautiful plant for your space. And those are all my tips for plants for your home. My third affordable tip to upgrade your home has to be to use pillow covers. And if you watch my room makeover video, you probably have seen these before. These honestly were so affordable on Amazon, and what I love most about them is that I can unzip them and change them as my style changes and also as the season changes. And not only that, it really does save me so much storage space. I try really hard not to buy a lot of throw pillows because I know that they kind of just end up on the floor anyways, and they also just take up so much space if you're trying to store them away for different seasons and things like that. So I really would highly recommend some pillowcases. I will have these two linked down below, and I also will link some other affordable options down below, including the pillow inserts. And if you guys watched that room makeover video, you probably are familiar with this next tip, which is to buy pillowcases that are smaller than your pillow inserts. And that way your pillows just look so much more luxe and plump. They don't look as saggy inside the pillowcase as they usually would if you were to buy the proper size for them. And that in itself is such a great hack for you guys, especially if you already have some pillow inserts at home and they're not looking their best. Try buying pillow covers that are one size smaller and they will look so good in your home. Alright, so we are down to the fourth tip, and this one is a really fun one because you can truly transform your space without breaking the bank, and that is with peel and stick anything. So right now on the market, there are so many different peel and stick items that you can use for your home. You can use a contact paper, floor tiles, and even backsplash now for your kitchen to really update it without having to redo every single thing like the grout and all the tiling and things like that. So I think that peel and stick is definitely the way to go if you don't want to spend a lot, or if you're renting, you can really change your whole entire space with this trick. And this tip is really one that I've been seeing everywhere from all my favorite YouTubers. They have been using peel and stick floor tiles, and I am so excited because I actually have a box of peel and stick tile. These are the Floor Pops brand, and I'm not going to lie, I was a little bit skeptical when I first saw that peel and stick tiles were a thing, but I feel like these are really legit. Just holding this package alone is pretty heavy in my hands. And I do have a sample to show you guys. This one is such a beautiful design, and it is really well made. You can tell that it is pretty thick, so it's definitely going to cover all of the grout in between the different tiles. And I'm really just excited to see how this thing performs, and also update you guys on how easy this actually is to install. Stay tuned for that video because it's going to be a good one, and I'm so excited to film it in just a couple more weeks. Okay, so now we are down to the last affordable way that you can upgrade your home, and that is definitely with lighting. And I put this one last as one of the most expensive items that you can invest in because you can really spend a lot on something like a dining room light, but you can also spend as little as you want on something like a desk lamp. And I really do think that lighting makes such a big difference in a room. It can really be a statement piece. So I would recommend investing in a good light fixture. And something that I would like to add is that Facebook Marketplace always has some really great fixtures on there. There were a couple of times I was browsing on there that I was this close to buying a new dining room light because people are selling them for super cheap, and also the quality on lighting fixtures is usually pretty great. So I would definitely recommend hitting up some of your favorite secondhand apps so that you can find some great lighting for your home. Alright guys, so that was all for today's video. As I mentioned at the beginning, there is a giveaway for 10,000 subscribers. So for this giveaway, one lucky person is winning a $100 gift card to Target, and I figured that Target was a safe place to give something away because they have such beautiful home decor items, as you guys probably already know because I love Target so much. So one lucky person is going to win that. All you have to do to enter is to like this video and comment down below what is one project that you want to do before the summer ends. It can literally be a DIY project, or maybe it is a home renovation. It could literally be anything. Just leave a comment down below and you will automatically be entered into this giveaway. I will leave all the other details in the description box down below, but you have until Saturday to enter, and I will announce the winner on my Sunday video. And I'm so excited to just give back to you guys. I can't wait to see where this YouTube channel takes us. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Stay inspired, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!